Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares, 'cause I can't give it all away if he won't be here next year. Feeling Christmas all around and trying to play it cool, but it's hard to focus when I see him walking across the room. Let us know it's lasting now, but I won't get in the mood. I'm avoiding every mistletoe until I know it's true. Love that he is alive, so next Christmas I'm not all alone, boy. Tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year.
What's up, y'all? Welcome to Vlogmas Week 2. You should have already watched Vlogmas Week 1. Am I right? I think I am. You should have already watched that, right? Okay. So we've been heading to my mama's house, but I need her to make these shirts for an event that we have coming up this week, which you'll see in this vlog. I'm so excited, y'all. My birthday is December 24th, so I feel like that's why I've always loved Christmas. So yeah. But before we hop into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you turn your post notifications on so you be notified each and every time I do upload a video. You do not want to miss a thing. Do you hear me? I could have pulled out. But I'm gonna catch y'all when I get to my mama's house, because guess what? It's raining and I can barely see as it is when it's not raining. So imagine it raining and I'm talking to y'all. Anyways, y'all see the back seat, buckle up because we're finna go to mama's house. So let's go. Ooh, y'all, she doing the dance. Yes, girl. Smell like flat irons here. Oh, look at the ring. Okay. Look at the shirt. Okay. Look at the little iron. Okay. Look at the pajamas. Okay. So we're gonna make our Christmas nails. The reason these things are marked like this is because I'm going to try to gel X them. These are the charms I'm going to put onto the nails. These are my lineup of products that I'm going to be using. Let me add that right there. And y'all just gonna watch a couple clips of me making my nails for Christmas. So right now I'm going to take this little brush thingy right here. I'm just going to take it and rub the shine off of the nails. I'm not too much going to be talking. I don't think so, because this is not a tutorial. It's just like a little nail body vlog. So stay tuned.
Yourself a merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas. It's a bit alive. It's a bit alive. Have yourself a merry little Christmas night. It's a
Okay, so I just got the shot in my face routine, everything. So we're about to do a movie night. So right now I have the cookies in the oven. They're baking. And then I'm gonna make me hot cocoa. If you watch my intro, you know what my hot cocoa stand looks like. It's right here. She's cute. And we're gonna watch a movie. And the movie that we're going to watch is some new movie on Disney. I mean, not on Disney, on BET Plus. Let me see what it's called again. We're gonna watch. And yeah. So I just want to come on and let you guys know what to do. So yeah, I might put like a little clip of me putting the cookies and ice cream together, and then doing the hot cocoa, and then the movie playing a little bit. But yeah. So the cookies came out. This is how they're looking. So now that the cookies are done, I'm gonna make my hot cocoa and then turn the movie and relax. Alright, so we made our hot cocoa. You should know what the looks like because you watched my intro. And then we have the cute cookies. Watch a movie.
Campaign. The plan for the West Side location can be just as profitable while continuing to positively impact the community.
What's up, y'all? So right now we're on our way to, what is it called? Palestine, Texas. We're going to a train ride. We're staying overnight, so we're heading on the road now. The train ride doesn't start until 7. But we check in at the hotel at 2. It's supposed to get there at 1:53, but we're going to stop and get something to eat. And it's 11:32 right now. I've been on the road probably like 10 minutes though. But I'm excited. And I'll pick the camera back up whenever we stop to get something to eat, wherever we stop to eat. And then I'll check back in again whenever we get to the hotel. And yes, we're wearing pajamas. Yeah, y'all. And look at my holiday nails. It's a lot going on, y'all. I know. I can't even take my rings off. Like, look. But this is what I got. I got a first finger combo with some sauce, and I got a Fanta. So I'm finna eat, and then when we get back on to the road, I'll check back in. But I'm starving, so bye. Okay, so dressed and ready for the Polar Express. So this is my pajamas. This is Mickey Mouse shirt that my mom made it. I'll see you early in the vlog. Pajama pants is from Target. And then I have my robe. If you watch the movie, the boy has on a robe, period. And then the Santa hat is right here. I'm gonna put it on when we get there. And I have on my Christmas bracelets. And I got my regular bracelets on, my Apple Watch on, rings, nails, everything in between. So I'm gonna catch y'all when we get there. Bye. Okay, y'all, so we made it here. We just parked the car, we're gonna go in. As y'all seen, it was like some lights. I couldn't really catch everything because she was driving too fast. And then like my tracking, like it was trying to track it, so it wasn't like clear all the way. But as you can see, like it's the lights right there, over there. But what I did get, I will put it in there.
Can I get a all aboard? All aboard!
All right. How many of you have ever been to the North Pole? Tickets, please. Tickets. Well, you're coming.
plane gave a sudden lurch and started moving.
Coming. Santa knows everything. Yes, look at the North Pole. Look at the elves out there dancing and having fun. But it is so cold out there. Just look at all the pretty lights. Wave at the elves. Hi, elves. Oh, there's Santa. Look, Santa's waving at us. Wave at Santa.
We know him.
Hi, Santa. Oh, isn't it pretty at the North Pole? You know, it would really, really be fun to see y'all.
Hi.